State asigi nupi lakh ahum lising yankhaida lupa crore chahum yankhaigi tengbang phangalagani haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand International Women's Day palan thauramga mari leinana phongdokkhre ngasi state asigi Social Welfare Department sinduna Palace Compound leba City Convention Center da Rights Justice Action for All Women and Girls Cyberteam Galoinana Pangthokhiba International Women's Day 2026 ki thauramda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Lamdam asida ngalingai matamdagi hongna nupi oibi kayana thengkhang kayada lawkiba thodang sing miyamna thoidok hendokna khangnare masigi manung channa lukra singda sallabi kayana macha oibi singbo awang bathaki mahai tamhanduna lainga ki famnaiba ohenba kaya masu yauri asigum laba lamdam asigi nupi oibi singbo hena mapangal kangkhat hananaba nupi lakh ahum lising yankhaida lupa crore chahum yankhaigi kanaba phanghanaba chaliba chahi English niga kuntaru kuntaret ki budget ta yaure haina lauthoki masida natana asigumlaba numit asina lakpana mamang matamda thokiba irang kayana changna bayadana lairiba sing hanagum changna duna laiminaba oirakpa oisinu haiba wafam sing phongdokhi thawramaduda Padma Shri Namayarakpam Kunjarani Manipuri folk singer Mangka Mayanglamba Myawna District Singi Women Helpline 181 Team District Singi One Stop Center Beti Basau Beti Parao campaign ki thaudang lauriba mihut singda appreciation certificate yanthokpaga loinana taramna oktuna ikai khumnaba utki loinana Home Minister Govindas Konthauzam Minister Khuraizam Loken MLA Soraisam Kebi amadi Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel amadi atai laingak ki phamnaiba kayasu saruk yakhi